today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a digital clock into your Notion workspace using Widgetbox. It's a simple process that can add a dynamic element to your pages, helping you keep track of time right within your workspace. So let's dive right into it and see how it's done. First, let's head over to your web browser. Begin by entering Notion into your search engine. You'll likely see Notion's homepage show up as the first result. Go ahead and click on that link to open it. This will take you directly to Notion's main website. Now, to proceed further, click on the Login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the homepage. From there, sign into your existing account so we can prepare the page where you want to install the clock. Navigate to any existing page, or if you prefer, you can create a new one specifically for this purpose. Next, open a new tab on your browser and search for Widgetbox. Similar to before, click on the first link that appears in your search results. This will lead you to the Widgetbox homepage. Once here, look for the option that says Get Started for Free and click on it. You'll need to sign up for an account, which only takes a few moments, and is necessary to access the various widgets they offer. After signing in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You should find a category labeled Clocks. Click on this, which will then present different clock styles. For our purposes today, let's select the digital clock. After clicking, you'll see an option to Customize and Embed. This is where you can adjust the clock's appearance to match your aesthetic or functional preferences, perhaps changing its color or size. When you've finished customizing your clock, look for the Copy Embed URL button. By clicking this, you're copying a link that will allow you to place the clock in your Notion page. Now, return to the Notion page you prepared earlier. Within this page, type a / followed by the word Embed. This / command in Notion brings up the option to embed different items into your page. Once you see the Embed option, paste the link you copied from Widgetbox. The last step is to click Embed Link to confirm and finalize this action. And there you have it. Your Notion page now features a fully functioning digital clock, seamlessly embedded and ready to use. This simple addition can help manage time more effectively and keeps a live clock within easy view as you work. Thanks for following along, and I hope this new feature enhances your productivity in Notion. See you in the next video.